Hey guys, Sean with MarineMax Jupiter here, and we're on this brand new 2026 Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly. Let's get into it. So, starting off at the transom of the boat, as you can tell, we have this giant swim platform, which Cruisers does a really great job compared to a lot of other brands out there. They really amplify the space back here. As you can see, we have an aft-facing sun lounger, and on top of that, we have a submersible swim platform right here with integrated steps. Also on the port side, you can see we have our crew cabin right there. That's not only for your crew, but let's say you're not using a crew or something like that, you're just an owner-operator, which we'll get into it later, that this boat is heavily owner-operator friendly. You can use it also as a day head, storage, whatever you want. Really versatile boat with Cruisers Yachts. As you can see, we have our controls for your shore powers right here, breakers right here. Gone are the days of running into the engine room. All right, let's see if the shore power breaker tripped. No. Everything is well thought out with Cruisers. If you say, hey, they didn't do this, it's not that they forgot about it, they thought about it, and they didn't do it for a reason. And I'm right there with them as well. So as you can see, we have our control transom seat up and down, shore power 1 and shore power 2, and our 2 breakers right there. Now, moving up to the steps, we have our nice door right here, and our wireless control to bring the swim platform up and down. So as we move up the steps into the cockpit of the boat, you're gonna notice we have our boarding door right here. And what's unique with the 57 Fly, they thought about it. You know, I've taken this boat to local restaurants where the docks are high, docks are low, and I've never had an issue with boarding at a high tide or low tide, because at low tide, the boarding door on the starboard side lines up perfectly with most docks, and then at high tide, the swim platform is actually a little bit higher, so it makes it easy for boarding on and off. And then as we move into the cockpit area, you're gonna see that this boat is equipped with a nice teak finish on the flooring as well. Gives it really, you know, that nice aesthetic look, elevates the entire boat. It's just a really nice design. So now we're coming on to the port side of the 57 Fly. Most people call it the party side. I agree with them. There's bar stools. You can catch me anywhere there's bar stools. But let's talk about something even nicer than the bar stools real quick. As you notice, we have a joystick right here. So Cruisers Yachts did something really nice with all the docking stations on the boat. You have a clear line of sight of the entire starboard side from bow to stern, and you still have the Abacus 360-degree camera system. Now, if we're docking on the port side, we have our docking station on the port side right here, which, as you can tell, I'm standing right here, and I'm basically outside of the boat. I have a clear line of sight of my swim platform, clear line of sight of my entire port side line, and it just makes docking so much easier. This boat, 57, but one person can handle it all by himself, and that's what Cruisers is all about. It's all about the simplicity and owner-operator friendly of the boat. Gone are the days of headaches, running around screaming at the wife, family problems afterwards at the house. Not with the Cruisers Yachts anymore. As we come to the port side, which is the bar stool area, party side, as you can see, we have 2 bar stools right here, drop down side that really expands the entire boat. You have rails that come all around. When you have teenagers running around, they might want to jump off the side, so you can keep it off as well. Really nice launching pad. Bar counter right here, and the drinks are ready to be served. Another phenomenal feature that Cruisers did on the 57 Fly that I really love is how you can really bring the inside and outside together. As you can see, we opened up the entire door right here, and the entire boat comes together right there. Really great sunny day like today, temperature's perfect. Everyone can be inside, everyone can be outside, and you don't feel separated. And that's what it's all about when you're boating, just bring the entire family together. So let's go into the salon. So we're at the helm of the 57 Fly. And what I love that Cruisers did right here is the simplicity of less is more. You know, you don't have 20,000 buttons, that unnecessary buttons too, you know? Everything's in the arm's reach. Your stereo control, your Garmin VHF, your ignition switches, wiper. And what I really like that they did with the wipers are, they didn't have it with the entire switch panel, they have it separate. So when you're on the go, instead of looking at your helm, oh, which one's the wiper switches? Enough of that. Now we can actually just go straight right here. Our trim tab controls, spotlight, joystick. Again, everything is in an arm's length of reach. It's just really well laid out design. This boat is equipped with the Seakeeper 9 as well, so really keeps that boat in when you're at the sandbars and you're next to a running area. You don't have to worry about it. Put the Seakeeper on, the boat's gonna stay steady. Just a phenomenal design with Cruisers. Now let's get into the Abacus system that this boat has. So as you can see right now, we have our bow camera selected for front view to see how our anchor drops. And as I press my windlass down, you're gonna see the anchor drop down. Another nice thing you saw pop up, it's integrated with AI, so if you have anything in the camera's view, it will recognize it. So let's go ahead, let's put our anchor down and just use this Abacus system to our advantage. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping and back it up. And then just keep on letting chain out. And after 10 seconds, 20 seconds, let it go. Go back in reverse and let that chain stretch out. Now, it's not just for your anchoring. I can select side views, back view, and you can also do the automatic that you can see the entire boat, side, bow, stern, everything. So that's a really unique feature with this specific boat with the Abacus system. So now we're going up to the flybridge, and I want to take a moment and just appreciate all the metal work leading up to the flybridge. So Cruisers Yachts is actually a very vertical integrated company, which what that means is everything is 90% made in-house, from the metal work, gel coat, upholstery. It's a really great thing to have because you can keep the quality consistent. It's not somebody else making a product that they're shipping to the factory. It's everything built in-house, and you can see it. You can see it in the quality and the craftsmanship. So safety wise, you got a grab rail right here, grab rail right there, grab rail, grab rail. What that does is when you're leading up to the flybridge, let's say you're offshore, overseas and all that, it just, the sense of security leading up, as you can see, I'm going up, grabbing everywhere. It's just a phenomenal design by Cruisers. So we're on the flybridge of the 57 Fly, and as you can see, we have our Abacus system again on our display right here. Twin garments, all our switching panels. Again, just like the interior helm, everything is within the arm's reach, and they kept it consistent with everything. Your stereo system, your Garmin VHF, trim tab, spotlight, joystick right here. And this is what we were talking about earlier. My clear line of sight of the entire starboard side. Really, this boat, you can dock it from anywhere, and it's just a phenomenal ease up. Up here, we got 2 wireless chargers and plenty of seating for while you're offshore. Moving into the galley of the flybridge, dual grill right here, dual fridges, trash receptacle, and our ice maker. So now we're in the aft area of the flybridge of the 57 Fly. And one thing to note on this flybridge is that by square footage, this is the largest flybridge on the market, sub 60 feet right now. And you can really feel it right here. When I'm up here right now, it feels like I'm on another boat. It's just ridiculous. You got the table right here, movable cup holders, so wherever you're sitting, you can place the cup holders where you want. And just to put it into perspective, Look at how much space we have back here. You can fit easily 10 people up here and still be comfortable. What a phenomenal design by Cruisers Yachts on this. So we're here at the bow of the 57 Fly. And again, look at the amount of space we have, the real estate. It's phenomenal what Cruisers did right here. So unique setting right here. We can have our forward-facing lounger right now, or if you wanted more of a social setting, drop that backrest down, pop the middle section up, and have it more of a social hour right here. There's 2 tables that come in right there, and just have dinner, a sunset cruise, drinks, just a really great design. It just goes to show that it doesn't matter where you are on the boat. It's all about bringing families together and having that social environment. Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly, Sean with MarineMax Jupiter here. Thank you for watching.